Welcome back to Jerba Campervans. My name's Owen and today we are starting a brand new series with rapid tours of some of our layouts, and we're going to kick things off with a Harris Crafter. So we're now in the back of the van, and we first of all need to talk about the amount of storage this van has got. Loads of overhead storage and loads of storage in here. What we've got as a kind of centerpiece in this van is this incredible composite countertop, which is very scratch resistant, and you can put your hot pans straight on it. It'll take 160 degrees centigrade. It's also completely waterproof, which is very helpful. On your countertop here, you've got your tap and hot and cold water. You've got a nice deep sink here, and then you've got your diesel powered Wallace cooking hob. Below you, down here, you've got lots of storage, as I said, within here, and then in here you've got your Webasto air top with your temperature gauge just down here. You've got another remote control up there for it, and that is really going to keep you nice and toasty in the winter, despite whatever the weather is doing outside. Again, overhead lockers here with plenty more storage, and then you've got this lovely accented light underneath the countertop, which is along with this one, lovely warm yellow light, which, you know, when you're sitting there in the evening, you can just have that on and have a bit of ambient light. Crucially, one of the main things, and the reason why you'd have a crafter, is you've got a fixed large bed. This one, we've got side pods on the side, which then gives you loads of space, full double bed, and I believe 6'4" between top to bottom. They've also got a ladder here, which is really handy. Just hooks on these two hooks just here and gives you nice easy access up into the bed. So obviously very large and very comfortable bed in the back, but you've got guests or you've got kids or you've got grandkids, and in which case you want them to have a comfortable sleep as well. So this is a rib bed, and we've been fitting rib beds for a very long time. First of all, very safe and fully tested. Great storage underneath, and crucially they are not a bad compromise between a bed and a seat, and therefore not a very comfortable seat and not a very comfortable bed. This is a nice textured seat with plenty of depth in it, so that you feel like you're sitting in a seat and you're not sliding backwards and forwards. Fully seat belted seats, and then all you do is just pull this little handle just here, and that folds forward and then locks into place. And this side is crucially not a seat, it's a deep, comfortable mattress topper. Pull this bar just here, and then that slides forward, and then you've got yourself, with the front seat, you've got a really nice, comfortable single bed. Another major benefit of having a vehicle of this size is that you get, when you're out and about, you get a nice warm shower after you've come in from a long, cold walk, potentially up a Munro. So in here, you've got a really good space, and you've got a shower curtain in here, you've got a toilet just behind me, and you've got lovely hot water from your Webasto air top, and your cassette is just down here. Obviously, crucially, you want to have a table to eat your dinner on. So this one is slots onto this quite nifty little bar here, and the leg just sits in a spot I'll show you behind. The table sits just up here and locked in with this little latch here. And obviously, if you're wanting it a bit closer, you can just move it across. There's little catches underneath that means it locks, so it won't come off. And obviously, if you wanted to have a meal, you'd move that seat forward, so you could then sit 3 people around the table quite easily. Another element that's made this van so unique, and really again playing with what we offer here at Jerba Campervans and the elements that we offer, is full leather on the seats. And it is a highly practical way of deciding to finish your seats. Very wipeable, and I love this like honeycomb effect on the back of the seats. I think they've done a really good job with it. Obviously, with your seats you can pick any colour of leather you want just about, and obviously you've got loads of different stitching patterns, and you can have different colours for the stitching as well. So they've really done something that's quite sort of bold and quite out there, and I absolutely love that. So now we come to the back of the van, and this again, it sticks in with the theme of loads and loads of storage. for all of your wet weather gear, for bikes, for camping equipment, for whatever you want in the back there. You've got a light, which makes it nice and easy to view what you've got in there. This is the pole for your wind out awning that this customer has gone for. And you've also got, and this is what I really like, these are the pop-on windows that have been made, same fabric by Sheena, our lovely seamstress. So I really hope you enjoyed that video on that really lovely crafter. We've got more videos coming up. I'm standing right here with either side of me of two of the vehicles we're taking to this year's Caravan and Campervan show, and we're really excited for it. Lots of changes this year, vans are looking different, and I'm going to do the next video, I'm going to basically do a tour of the three vehicles we're taking on site. So get subscribed, make sure you've got the notifications on, and you'll get a notification when we do the next video. See you on the next one.